What's going on YouTube? It's your boy BrodieCodie back with another banger. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Codie. With this you could stream different platforms. This works on Windows. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this on Linux even. So my Linux users, I'll show you how to do it on that. So I'm sure if this works on Linux, this will work on Mac OS as well. Go ahead and comment down below if you're a Mac user. Let me know if this works for you. Appreciate you for tuning in. Thanks again. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to get right into it. Like I said in this video, we're going to be installing Codie on Linux. Right now I'm using the Linux Mint operating system, so you know this will work. Let's go get these commands. These are the commands we're going to use. I'll have the link down below in the description. I already ran the first one. Let's go ahead and get the second command going. Like I said, there's the first one. Let's get the second one in here. Press enter to continue. Yep. Awesome. I'll run a sudo apt-get update. And then this is the last command we're going to need to complete the installation. Stick around towards the end. I'll show you a repo you can put on this. Alright, let's go get that repo I mentioned. Alright, let's go ahead and clear the screen real quick. This Codie up and running. Ooh, that looks so crispy. Alright. And first things first, you're going to want to go to settings. Known sources. And you can hit yes. Cool. Now we can go back to the main menu real quick. Actually, I believe it's File Manager, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it is File Manager. Alright. So add source. This is where you put the path. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Alright. Here's the part we're looking for. Took a while, but I found you. Sorry about that. Alright, I don't know why I gotta fuck with language. Maybe I should cancel them. Okay, so this is the add-on installed. And this right here is super clutch. Super clutch.